Oh, hello there, friends. How are you? It's so nice to be home relaxing on the holidays. In front of the fireplace. So beautiful and warm. Oh, Buffy! I asked for 1 hour to shoot a video! I'm so sorry. Sorry that your evening was interrupted. It's a good olive. Don't you like my hat? It's really cute. Yeah, I'm Mark, and this is Epic Confections. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every single week. This week is a special week. I am joined with the lovely Lorelie from Wedding Cakes for You. We are collabing and doing a Christmas themed cake. Our theme was Christmas characters. Make sure to check out her channel and her video. I will link in the description below. So I decided, when I think of Christmas, I actually think of the Coca-Cola polar bear. Let's do it. Happy holidays. I decided this week I'm going to sit here, chill out with my martini, and narrate to you guys how I made this beautiful cake beside the fire. That's right. Yeah. So I started out with 3 9-inch round white cakes and 1 6-inch round white cake. I'm just going to level them out, fill them with buttercream. And as you can see here, I'm just going to start carving them into the shape of a sitting polar bear. I'll just enjoy a sip of my martini while y'all watch that. I then added a couple dowels right into the neck so that when I put the head on there, it's nice and supportive. And then I started working on his head. So I put 2 6-inch round cakes together, just stuck them together with some white buttercream. And then I just shaped out a little bit where his eyes are. Gave that a nice crumb coat of white buttercream. And then I put the entire cake in the fridge to chill. Next, I worked on his legs, which was 2 4-inch round white cakes and 2 cupcakes. I just put the cupcakes first with a little bit of buttercream, and then I stuck on that 4-inch cake, gave it a crumb coat, stuck it in the fridge again. I know, there's lots of sticking in the fridge, but trust me, you have to do that to firm up that buttercream and that cake, right? And then I wanted to work on his arms and his ears, so for that, I just mixed together some of that leftover cake with a little bit of buttercream, and I made it a nice thick consistency, kind of like you're making cake pops or rum balls. Mix that all together, and then I just took out a little chunk, rolled it into a little cylinder, and I stuck that on the side of the polar bear, and there you go, I have his arm. And then I did his other arm, gave that a little crumb coat of white buttercream, and then I just stuck on his ears. And I threw the whole cake into the freezer for about 20-25 minutes. Next, the fun part. I covered this entire bear with plain white coconut, shredded coconut, and I had fun with it. Look at that. And he's so cute. Oh my god. He's the Coca-Cola bear. I love him. Enjoy watching this fast forward version of me putting coconut on a bear. You're welcome. Then I started with his eyes. Now this is all buttercream, so I could have done fondant, but you know what? Why do fondant when buttercream's just easier? So I just piped on with a large tip his eyeballs. Then I just piped on his little tiny nose and his little tiny smile. It's so cute. And I made sure to take a really hot spatula and just kind of smooth out his nose and his eyes. And then I added a little bit of highlight in his eyes with just a small tip with some white buttercream. And then I made his paws. So I did 5 little dollops for his toes. And then I guess for the pad of his foot, also black buttercream, and I just made a little shape. I don't know how else to describe it. A paw shape on the bottom of his foot. And then I added his famous red scarf. Just tied it and cut it. And the final touch was the Coke bottle. There you go. And he's so cute. It's the Coca-Cola holiday bear. I love him. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like what you saw, click that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every single week. Except for next week because it's Christmas and I'm going to take Christmas off to spend with my family. I do, however, just want to wish all of you guys a happy holiday, a Merry Christmas. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for the constant love and support. You guys are amazing. And new, bigger, better things to come in the new year. Thank you so much, guys. Happy holidays. Cheers. Mwah.